Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify your Wi-Fi password strength on Spectrum router. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To verify your Wi-Fi password strength on a Spectrum router, begin by connecting your device to the Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser on your device. In the address bar, type the default IP address for your Spectrum router, which is typically 192.168.1.1. Press enter to access the router's login page. You will be prompted to enter your username and password. The default username is usually admin, and the default password is often password, unless you have changed these credentials. Once logged in, look for the wireless settings section in the main menu. Click on wireless or Wi-Fi, depending on your router model. You should see options for your Wi-Fi network, including the network name and password. Locate the field that displays your current Wi-Fi password. If the password is displayed as dots or asterisks, look for an option to reveal the password. Some routers have a Show Password checkbox you can select. Take note of your Wi-Fi password and evaluate its strength. A strong password should be at least 12 characters long, include upper and lower case letters, numbers, and special symbols. If your password does not meet these criteria, consider updating it. To change your Wi-Fi password, find the option that allows you to edit it. Enter a new, strong password. Be sure to save your changes before exiting the settings menu. Finally, reconnect your devices to the Wi-Fi network using the new password. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. And if you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.